Hello dear friends, welcome to one more video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will be using a potentiometer to vary the speed of flashing LED. Means we learned blinking LED. We were blinking LED by some fixed delay of 1000 millisecond or 2000 millisecond. But in this video tutorial, we will use potentiometer as an input device for the Arduino and we will be controlling the flashing speed of flashing by using the potentiometer. So to do this, we need to use some variables, analog input, digital output and delay in our code and some additional components. So we will take out first required component. So Arduino we have taken already. The next required component is breadboard we will take. Okay. Then as output device we will take LED. So I am taking here LED. Okay. To limit the current of LED, we will use one resistor of 220 ohm. So I will change the value of that resistance to the 220 ohm resistor. Okay. Then as input device we will be using a potentiometer. So potentiometer has 3 pins: terminal 1, wiper and terminal 2. Okay, we can call it positive and negative, and middle one is a wiper. Here potentiometer's value is showing 250 kilo ohm, but we will take it as a 210 kilo ohm because we are controlling a small LED device. Okay, now the first thing we will do is we will common the all positive and negative pins, ground pins. So this ground pin I will take it to the negative pin. I will make it as a wires color. I will make it as a black. Okay, here also make it black as a ground pin. Okay, then this pin we will connect to the ground pin of Arduino. This will connect to the ground pin of Arduino. Arduino has 3 ground pins. You can connect to any one ground pin. Okay, then we will take out the positive pin. So positive, only one pin is there of potentiometer. I will take it here. I will change the wires color to the red. Okay, now this red pin we will connect to the 5 volt of Arduino. Where to connect? 5 volt of Arduino, because potentiometer requires a 5 volt. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, now this LED is anode pin. Okay, if you see LED has 2 pins, I already told you in last previous video tutorial, cathode and anode. Cathode already be connected to the ground. So this pin we will connect it to the pin number 3 of Arduino. You can connect to any pin of Arduino. In this case I am connecting it to the pin number 3. Okay, now the last pin is the input pin of that potentiometer. As it is an analog device, potentiometer is an analog device, it's showing value from 0 to 255. We have to connect it to any one analog pin. So you can connect it to A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, any pin. But right now I am connecting it to the A0. I will change the wires color as a yellow pin. Okay, now connections are done. I hope you understood this connection. Connections are very easy one. Now we have connected everything. Now we have to do we have to read a potentiometer's value and we have to give that potentiometer's value as a delay for that flashing LED. Okay, so the time is to code now. So I'll go to the coding. I will select here text coding. Okay, just click on the continue. Whatever by default it is there, I will remove. Now first I have to initialize the pins, which pins I am using. Okay, so initialize pin. Okay, I will give pin names. So LED pin. Okay, LED pin I am using as a pin number 3. Okay, then initialize pot pin, means potentiometer pin. Okay, so potentiometer pin I connected to the A0. The next is we have to initialize the potentiometer's initial values. Initialize pot value. The initial pot value will be the 0. Okay, now we have to set up the pins, which are the input and which are the output pins. Okay, so for that we have to set up the pins. So void setup. Okay, just do void setup here. In curly bracket we have to mention the pin number. So pin mode. Okay, pin number 3 is we have connected to LED. So LED is output device, so 3 will be the output pin. Okay, OUT, PUT. Okay, then pin mode. The potentiometer's middle pin is the input pin. So which we have connected that yellow pin to the pin number A0. So here I will write A0, comma input. Okay, then we have to write the actual code. So void loop. Okay, again in curly bracket. The first pin we have to select the potentiometer's value. Okay, from where we will get the potentiometer's value will get from the potentiometer's middle pin which is connected to the A0 means, and Arduino will read the pin from pin A0. So pot value is equal to analog read. Okay, we connected that to the analog A0 pin. So analog read in bracket, what will be the value? Pot pin. Okay, the value will be reading from the pot pin. Okay, the next we have to make the LEDs on and off. Okay, so digital write, making LED on and off means in machine language what we call that? We can making LED high and low. So LED pin comma, not dot, comma, high. Okay, give a semicolon. Okay, now we have to give a delay. So what will be the delay? So delay will be a, not, don't give here now 1000 2000 milliseconds, because in fix, if we want to give a fixed delay, then we can give it a 1000 2000 milliseconds delay, but here we have to give a potentiometer's value as a delay. So what will give here? Pot value. Okay, so pot value which we are getting from analog read pin A0, that will be a delay for on time. Again digital write. Okay, again digital write in bracket, make LED pin low. Now LED pin comma low. Okay, again give same delay as a pot value. Okay, off time also will be a pot value. Just a minute, pot value. Okay, now just close the curly bracket now. Oh sorry, it's open. Just close the curly bracket now. Just check once again everything is okay. Yeah, I think it's all right. Now we'll click on start simulation. Okay, now if you see here, let me show you the output. If you see now LED is blinking very slowly. If I rotate it potentiometer, you can see LED is blinking slight faster. Okay, if I move it more, you can see it's little more faster now. If I rotate more, LED will blink more faster. Okay, if I rotate it potentiometer more, this will blink more faster. So just observe the change in flashing rate. Okay, here we are, means how we are rotating the rotary knob or potentiometer, the flashing rate also is changing. Can you see it's means it's flashing very fastly, even we cannot observe that flashing rate also. Okay, see now. So by changing the knob you can change the flashing rate. Just by changing this knob you can change the flashing rate of LED. I hope you understood this project and you will try this. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.